holding my very first PR box right now. I'm so excited. I can't wait to open it, but I wanted to jump on camera and record this process because it's definitely something that I'm going to want to remember. They don't make these easy to open. Sorry if I'm being a little soft spoken. It's actually pretty early in the morning here and the rest of my household is still sleeping. And I'm still trying to get comfortable with talking to the camera. I've gotten a lot more comfortable with my Instagram stuff, but I've been practicing for like a little bit over a year, so I'm sure the comfortable will come eventually with the YouTube. I'm like using the jankiest scissors for this. Well, they're fabric scissors. Oh shit, not me realizing there's a pull tab on here. I'm trying to be quiet. Almost there. It's open. Before I open this box and get right into it, I just want to take a moment and practice some gratitude. I am so thankful for this. I can't even believe I've gotten my first PR box. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you guys who's supporting me, who watches my content, who likes, comments, saves, shares. All of that means so much to me, and it's so important to my growth. So I just wanted to give a quick thank you to all of you guys out there, because this would not be possible without you, and I am so grateful. Let's get right into it. Also, I look like a hot mess because I'm not gonna lie, I slept in my makeup last night and just put on a new lip right now because I wanted to get this done before getting into the shower. So I also have an oil treatment in, so just don't mind me today. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. I can't wait to show you the products. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so let me show you what they sent me. We're going to start with this one. It is a vitamin C, E, and F serum called Renew Visibly Brightens Complexion Maximum Environmental Protection. Ooh, and in my morning skincare routine, I was just talking to you guys about protecting your skin from the environment. This says a potent blend of vitamin C, vitamin E, are combined with hyaluronic acid, peptides, and ceramides for superior deeply hydrating antioxidant protection. Ooh, that sounds so fancy. Apply 4 to 5 drops onto fingers and smooth over face and neck, avoiding eye area. Allowed to absorb before applying additional products. Can be used twice a day or as directed by a physician. Really excited to try that one. Okay, here's one that I'm so excited for. This is the DRMTLGY eye masks. So excited for these. Let's see. Experience rejuvenated eyes with these revolutionary masks. Formulated with powerful, targeted ingredients, these masks help brighten and reduce the appearance of dark circles and fine lines while minimizing puffiness. Ingredient highlights: caffeine, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, blueberry extract, watermelon extract, licorice extract, cucumber extract, and some other things I can't pronounce, but I'm really excited to try these. It sounds like a self-care day is in order. What else do we have here? Pre-cleansing oil. I'm actually really excited to try this. This will be good for double cleansing to first get your makeup off. This is the pre-cleansing oil. Gently melt away makeup, excess oil, and buildup. Antioxidant-rich pre-cleanse that's gentle enough to use around the eyes, but powerful enough to remove waterproof makeup. Really excited to try that one. And here we have Gentle Oat Cleanser, Goat Cleanser. Okay, I really like the name. This is the Goat Cleanser, greatest of all time. This gentle cleanser removes impurities and excess oil from the skin, leaving skin clean, refreshed, and hydrated. A unique blend of botanical extracts help calm and relieve sensitive skin. I do have sensitive skin. Okay, what do we have here? 2 different lip balms here. A non-sticky SPF lip balm that protects, soothes, and relieves dry, chapped lips. Apply to lips 15 minutes before sun exposure. Excited to try that one. And then we have the Sea Balm, and this moisturizes and visibly soothes lips. Transformative lip balm supercharged with a premier vitamin C complex leaves lips feeling plump, hydrated, and smooth. And last but not least, what I think I am most excited for. So right here we have 2 tinted moisturizers. We have one that is matte and one that is not. But let's see, this is the Universal Tinted Moisturizer SPF 46, and then we have the Matte Universal Tinted Moisturizer SPF 46. Before we close out this video, I just want to say that if you guys have a dream in your heart, chase that dream, okay? Someday you're going to wish that you started sooner with whatever it may be. Maybe you want to go for a new job. Maybe you want to start a content creation journey. Whatever it is that you have in your heart that you're dreaming, just start. That's the hardest thing to do. I thought about doing beauty related stuff, content creation for like the last 10 years, and to be honest, I'm just sorry that I didn't start sooner. Everybody has to start somewhere. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just want to stress on that. Like, it does not have to be perfect. Whatever it is that you want to do, just start. Just jump in there. And I truly am a firm believer in you can have anything you want. You can do anything you want. If you want something bad enough, you're going to get it. And I do believe manifestation is a real thing, and I just want to encourage you guys to chase your dreams like I'm doing, because life is too short to not get everything that you want out of it. And I hope that each and every one of you understands that, because I'm so glad that it's something that I learned pretty young. So anyways, mushy talk over. But I just want you to understand how truly grateful I am for this opportunity to partner with Dermatology and just be able to pursue my dream of creating beauty-related content for you guys. So that's all I have for today. I just wanted to jump on and unbox this first ever PR box with you guys, and I can't wait to show the products in action. Leave me a comment down below of what brands you think I should work with. Tag them on my socials. Get active on my Instagram. If you guys don't already know, I'm way more active on Instagram. I post every single day there, so go check it out if you haven't already. I will leave it in the description down below. Look out for future videos showing me using these products. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, guys. I'll talk to you soon.